Manding on close to Enugu State. But one of the Ban or Kada start to come immediately. It's about to make it go down. We are coming through to come and give you a show of a lifetime.
Indian Day 10. What's up, my people? Welcome back to Adamazi TV. Last night was indeed an amazing night with lots of Nigerian top Igbo celebrities such as P-Square, Slow Dog, White Money, Zorro, Nkemowo, aka Osofia, and many more who were live at Chuba Ibazu Stadium, Onitsha, Anambra State for the largest gathering of brothers, Nwanne Connect. Enjoy the videos and please remember to like, share and subscribe to Adamazi TV. Thank
the money, without the money, secure the bag, without the bag, I may be for cash, I may be for dollar. I got to make you fast and make mama proud. I have to say when I took you. I can't go back now. I know that I will look. And then I got more than what I took. What you love with your color. Then I buy you, then I buy. I want to know my life. You could not have. She don't get up to see for a Gozakalakai. The same money in Canada. Oh, yeah, now cheap, I'm a Canada. If you're looking for me, make you fly. Don't secure the bag, I'm not telling you, maybe for Casio. As you see me, so I need a lot too. If you come my phone, you put out the bag, secure the money, put out the money, secure the bag, put out the bag, I may be for Casio, I may be for dollar, I may be for Pasco. I got you by the money, can't put out the money, can't follow your friend, cause if I know your money, so I need a lot. If you come my phone, you put out the bag, secure the money, buy the money, buy the money, secure the bag, secure the bag, I may be for cash, I may be for dollar, I may be for Pasco. Secure the money, secure the money, secure the money.
Yes, sir! On est à chance en blanc! On est à chance en blanc! Chance en blanc! Okay now! DJ, no time to check time.